Hey everybody, welcome back to Birds Whispers YouTube channel. This is your host Imran, and in front of your screen what you're looking at is one of the most cutest things in the world. It is one of our Budgies chicks. Probably the eldest one, about 25 days old. But this is the one curious guy, because as I came into my aviary this morning, I found him sitting down in the seed spot. So apparently he had jumped out of the nesting pot, while other two of his siblings were still inside. They were just peeping out but waiting to be fed by their parents. This is the one curious guy. He was looking at all around him, as if waiting for the world to be explored by him. Probably other two chicks are also thinking to follow his footsteps, but they were too hungry to think about it anymore. They were focused on attracting the attention of their parents to feed them as soon as they can. The Budgies chicks are very flexible in terms of being tamed. So if you spend enough time every day, maybe more than once or twice, you hand feed them, they'll get used to you and it'll be easier for you to hand tame them. And if you do it early on while these are young, it will be even easier. I have had this pair for almost 8 to 9 months, and when this weather got better, summer went away and it became a little colder, I provided them with nesting pot, and this is the second clutch of these parents. Probably here he was thinking to fly back to his home, but then he looked back at me and probably thought, this guy is not that bad. He's just filming me to make me popular on YouTube. So probably he'll ask for you for a few likes and subscribes. The two chicks are equally curious. The little one is a bit too young to jump out, but I think the other one probably will be coming out soon, following the footsteps of his eldest sibling. So we are yet to know which one of these will be a boy or a girl. Budgies and almost any birds are very sensitive to particularly the clean drinking water. You have to ensure that you provide them with fresh water every day. So here I provided them with mix of pulses and spinach added with vitamins, probiotics and grit. So all the parents and their chicks stay healthy and they grow up nicely. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video.